Hi and welcome to this video from cloudlines.com. Today I'm going to show you how to log in and purchase your first Cloudlines package or to use a free package. If you have been sent information about logging into Cloudlines by a breed society or an organisation, it's quite possible you need to log into their own unique web address within the Cloudlines system. So rather than coming to cloudlines.com, if you are trying to log into the Old English Goat Society Cloudlines package, for example, you have to go to oegs.cloudlines.com, and that's their unique instance. So we won't cover that today. Cloudlines.com contains everything you need to get started, and is also the place you will log in if you are logging into a free package, a home breeder package, or a smallholder package. So there are two ways into the system if you've not been in before. You can click on Services, and then you can look through the Services page at the various different package levels and choose Start Now on the one that you're interested in, or you can click Log into Cloudlines in the top right, so I'm going to choose that option. If you already have a login, you can put in your username and password over here on the left. If you're totally new to the system, you just need to register on the right, so I'm going to do that now. With some nonsense information and our social media email address. Your username doesn't have to be in the email address format, but we find it's helpful if you do choose to do it that way. It's easier to remember your username if nothing else, but it will let you choose any format of username. Finally, we'll choose a secure password, and then we will verify that we are not a robot. Make sure that you've read and you're happy to agree with the privacy policy and the data protection policy, and then click Register Now. So you're taken then to the order service screen. If you don't want a paid service, you just want to use the free package which we offer you, in which you can store up to 25 pedigree records and you can just get a good feel for the system, you just have to click Go to Dashboard up here on the right hand side. If you want a higher level of service, you can choose which service from this drop down menu. So you have Home Breeder, Smallholder, which along with the free package are all accessed within cloudlines.com, and then you have the larger tier packages, as we call them: Small Society, Large Society and Organisation. And if you click on one of the larger packages, you'll see that you get a new box to fill in that asks you for a domain prefix. This is to choose this portion, this first portion of the web address that's going to be unique to your society or your organisation. So in this instance, we might choose test, for example, and then I would always access my unique instance via test.cloudlines.com. But we won't go through that today. If you were ordering a home breeder package, you see that option disappears because you don't access it from a unique URL, you just access it via cloudlines.com. So you can next type in the plural version of the animal which you're going to hold pedigree records for. So if you're breeding hamsters, you choose hamsters, for example. With goats, you put goats as opposed to goat. Payment increment is either monthly or yearly, and you can choose which one. And then the animal category, either mammal or poultry. The poultry option is a slightly different version of the system. Everything looks the same, but you have an option to configure breed groups, and these are these are called different things depending on where you are in the world, but it's the concept of a pen or a clan or a cage of animals where there is one male and multiple females. So the poultry side of the system supports that, the mammal does not. So as goats and mammals, we'll choose that category, and then if you click Enter Billing Info, you'll be taken through the process and you'll set up that level of package. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to click Go to Dashboard up in the top right, and that will take me to my free package. And there we are. We're into Cloudlines and we've got our beginning instruction. See you in the next video.